Hello, hello. We are going to keep it short and quick and show you how easy it can be to just make up categorical data and enter it into Google Sheets. And we encourage you to do it. In fact, that's going to be an assignment for you. So here's what I've done is I have created a survey and I ask these individuals over here, what is your favorite breakfast? And then they respond with their favorite breakfast. Quick little formatting note, if I want to widen this out, I can just go up and double click on column B and it auto sizes. So now I can see all my data. Beyond that, we're not going to do any formatting here. George likes eggs and bacon and Katerina likes French toast and Min likes pancakes. You get the notion. I have made all of this data up. Now, it's not uncommon for a variety of like ethical reasons or even just for making sure that we get good data that instead of reporting the names, we'll just kind of say respondent 1, respondent 2. Respondent 3 likes pancakes and respondent 9 likes waffles. But really, it's not as though these are actual numbers that we would be adding or subtracting or doing anything with. This is just for maintaining the integrity and quality of data set and ensuring anonymity for our participants. So it's going to be your turn. You're going to go in and you are going to create some, just small data set on whatever you care about, but it's going to be categorical. Things like blue or yellow or cat or dog or windy or sunny, that type of thing that you're going to put in there.